Well, here they are. I got them. Pro Action Street Series shocks for the 16 Ultra Limited. You guys are seeing them. I'll be honest with you, I've done took them out of here just so I could look at them. But they are awesome looking. Registration card. Instructions. Shows what you need to tool list. General instructions for installation. I'll look over those later. Bushing kit, Allen wrench, collar ring, wrench, and a sticker. And here they are. Pro Action shocks. They're pretty. I'm going to do an install video of these another day. I don't know what day exactly, maybe today. Maybe I'll get to putting them on today, I don't know. Can't ride today, it's raining, pouring rain. Well, I guess I could ride in the rain, but I don't want to. Anyway, I just thought I'd give you a look at them so you can see what they look like coming out of the box. I also ordered the front end spring kit at the same time. After much research, I decided to go with these Pro Actions front and rear, and I'll give you a report on that when I get them put on and get some miles on it. Anyway, that's it for the unboxing video. We'll come back to a installation video when I get ready to put them on. Anyway, have a great day.